Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Appalachian Home, or if you're new, welcome. So today's video is a spring DIY. It is a really simple farmhouse style sign we're going to be making using some wood and some vinyl letters that I cut with the Cricut Maker. So I'm starting out with some 3/16 inch luan board and furring strips from Lowe's. I cut a piece of luan board that is 11 inches by 50 inches long, and I also cut these 1.5 inch by 3/4 inch pieces of furring strips. They are 50 inches long and 9 3/4 inches long. After I sanded all of the materials, I painted the front of the luan board with some satin off-white paint, and the brand I'm using today is Sherwin Williams. Next, I stained the pieces of frames using some Minwax Wood Stain, and the color I'm using is Classic Gray. If you watch my videos, you've probably seen me use this color before. It just adds a very light tint to the wood. It's great if you just want a lighter stain color. Now I'm just attaching the frame. Sometimes I use clamps to do this and a brad nailer, but today was a really cold day. I didn't want to go to the garage, so I'm just using my electric staple and nail gun to attach the sign frame. And I'll go back in just a minute with some nails and a hammer at the corners of the sign and make those ends a little bit stronger. I've built so many of these signs this way. It's just an easy, quick way to assemble a framed sign. I have cut out some vinyl letters with some black adhesive vinyl, and I used Cricut Maker. If you're new to my channel, I use Cricut for almost all of my projects. If you do have a Cricut machine and want to make these letters, I'm using a font called Cami Rae, and I use this font because it had that Rae Dunn vibe to it, and that's kind of the look I wanted for this sign. But I'll link everything down in the description box for this video so you can go and check everything out. And if you're wondering the size of these letters, the happy in this sign is 3.5 inches high, and the letters are 6 1/4 inches high. And I spaced them evenly apart up and down the board, leaving about 1.5 inches at the top and bottom. I folded this in half to get the center mark, and then just centered it to my sign, and I centered all of my letters. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this short video tutorial. I was going to do like a 3 DIYs for spring with 3 projects, but they ended up being really long, so I broke them up into 3 different ones. But I hope you enjoyed this one. The next one is a really cool farmhouse clock, so that'll be upcoming probably Friday. Keep on the lookout for that. And also I'm going to be posting some more Inkscape tutorials. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.